We will look for more duct tape tomorrow, and tonight's the night we're going to go out, for sure. Because we've got our stuff all over there. We just need to go explore. If we mess it up, we mess it up. So let's go about our day. Let's try to just find some more duct tape and magazine. We have another one, so we don't really need a second. More duct tape would be good. There's another magazine. No, don't beat people. Stardust, same stuff. Okay, and what are our things? Distraction at breakfast. Locate a watch, which I can do. Get food portrait. Dude, search the cells, basically. Distraction at breakfast and search the cells. Let me go grab this watch. Another file, which could be useful for the cutter rating. I don't really need the forks anymore, I don't think. At least not majorly. This is what they want. And let's get out of here. Oh, guards down here right now? Wow. Well, maybe we do need forks. Maybe we should go back and take that fork. I don't want to get beaten down, that's the problem. It's not going to go down fast enough. Go one more. One more. Yes. Just a good boy. Who gets the watch? Levi. Distraction at breakfast. I have a distraction here, so I don't have anything illegal on me. Let's... Oh! Supposed to be a distraction at breakfast. Maybe it was the guy who was at the other table. Go, 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 go. Okay, and then we gotta go do the watch for Levi. Go, 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 go. Run it. Watch. 23. You're already super mega happy with me. Walt, what are you selling? Plan to teach someone a lesson during next evening meal. Sounds like fun. Stardust, jack your bar of chocolate. I'll try to check for that. Okay. Kitchen job. Can do that. Oh, let's put the food here. Let's put the 2 forks and that away. Yeah, I mean, I could go up like right here. It's like a long way to go, though. It's a lot of stuff to have to cut. It's a lot of stuff. More donations coming in? My goodness. We gotta go check and see who that was. It was probably Levi again? Maybe. We'll see. We'll see. Well, thank you ahead of time if it was. If it wasn't, we're going to see who the new benefactor is. Let's just get these on the plate and get the job done. I think I need 4 more. I think that's all I need. And then we'll be done with our job, and we can get back to the escape. See, for example, let's pause right here and go check. That was, yes, it was. Levi, you are blazing through these prisons. How long are you streaming for? I don't know. We're going to try to get a couple of them down. We got one down real fast because it was just super easy, and then now this one looks like we should be getting out. I don't want to get out on this one on technicality. I'd like to get out of this one officially. Can I do all prisons again speedrunning them? That's possible. Probably not today, though, Omega Cat. Like the non-workshop ones. The main prisons? Yeah, I could try. You escaped Iron Gate in one day with 1 sock. Oh, that's funny. Alright, we can do this. Alright, so tonight we're going out. That's the deal. I was thinking of getting started filing this stuff down, though, frankly. If I get caught doing it, though, I'm in trouble. Thought that was a guard. Wasn't me. Wasn't me doing that. Come on. Just left. Okay, in case I get caught, let's put that in there. Let's take these guys out. Okay, I do not want to go all the way through. Remember that. Do not go all the way through. Okay. We are happy with that. We are almost through there. It'll take us a while to cut through everything to go the whole way, but frankly... Where's my poster? He has more, doesn't he? Can I buy more? I can buy more. Next breakfast, I'll try. I can't take on more favors. Oh my god, I got evening meal, breakfast. I gotta go check the desk. Oh, that's probably not good. Let's not get those missions if we can. Breakfast, sure. Double at breakfast. Guard outfit. No. Okay, we got a lot of stuff now. I feel like I don't want to lose this progress. Okay, I say go ahead and grab this guy, this guy. So we make this guy. I say we go through this looking glass right there. So we drop this guy off over here with this guy. I say we take this guy right here and we finish going through that real quick. Okay, let's run this guy down here. Can we just run around here for a second? This is where we have to go to shut off any generator. So let's kind of go there. Just in case. Something gives me the nagging feeling we're going to need to shut off a generator. Don't know what it is. In that case, we might not want to run all the way back there either. We might want to have a way to get out of here quickly from, say, here. We'll see. We'll see. We got a full minute to run back this way. Okay, I say we keep going with that. It's evening meal. We're going to skip evening meal? Should I go out there? No, I should not go out there. I went out there. We are going to do evening meal. Cool. We're doing it. We're doing it. I'm taking some more duct tape, too. Apparently. That's what it's all about, is the duct tape. Today, we're getting tons of duct tape. Better not screw today up. Morning roll call. It's evening meal, isn't it? Mm-hmm. Who wants the... If he's not here, I can't do it. ATM. He's right there. Hey, how you doing, buddy? That was perfect. That's how you do it perfectly. Since I was already there, I might as well just do this. Make sure I'm super smart again. There we go. Wow, I was getting pretty dumb there. There we go. Let's go up to these guys, check in here, and then go to shower. I'm hurrying my own way. And then we'll use the transfer time to go back down there and do some more chipping. And then this might be something we want to chip right here. Get into here, the dirty laundry area. And these guards don't even come to this guard area. I don't know where they go. They just take off on their own. That's really weird. That is weird, yeah. Sorry, I need the extra TP. Wow. Just gonna hang here. Got lots of the contraband pouches now. Let's go grab, I don't know, that guy, these two guys, that guy. Evening free time, that's what I was hoping. That's what I was hoping for. Your inventory's full, okay, well. No harm, no foul, I suppose. What are we at there, 75, 68? So that goes down 8 each time, it's double the forks, okay. What is that, 2? Yep. Alright, so that's got one more to go. Boom. And then it's down. What's that, 30? Does it use up 5 each time? 15. Should be 10. Okay, so that's, we should just drop that. It's at 52. Where's this one at? 4? Yep. Just working away. Putting in the hours. $16, $12, $8, and that's it. That's gonna be it. Let's bring this stuff over here. We've got both of those in case we need to go out the other way. We can always get back in the other way, the way that we came, the way that we originally made. If we have to set that stuff off, if we need cutters, we've got cutters. I should take that over there maybe. Yeah. We've got cutters if we need cutters, or if we need to go up into the ventilation system, we can do that. Can make the whatevers. I can make the pickaxe, but I don't want to do that if I don't have to. Take the toilet paper. I guess we can take that. I guess we can take some of these knives. Knives are definitely important at this point. Suibhne breakfast. I'll try. I've got 3 breakfasts. I better try hard. Might miss the morning roll call though. Suibhne. Nope. More magazines. I could probably use that, but I'm going to need more duct tape as well. Toilet paper's on the Vanishing Act. Okay. Okay, I'm going back in. Which means I got to really just throw this in my cell real fast. I'm not going up tonight. I'm not going into the vent system tonight. That's backup. That's just backup. We're going to go outside is what we're going to do. So now we've got a whole bunch of everything stored back here. Whatever it is you need. Whatever your guilty pleasure. Just going to go take a look. Hopefully I don't die. Aha. We are surrounded by water and an unchippable wall. Let's go north first. It seems to be a box. An impenetrable box? Nothing is up against it. There's no buildings or anything. Look at the space here. Guess that's about as much as we could see. Aha. That seems to be it, folks. That seems to be it. Alright, let's go back inside, chip our way through, and see if we can't get to those guards, so to speak. It's a good thing I have the kitchen job, huh? Okay, stay very quiet. It's 1 o'clock. I'm gonna go ahead and take these. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna go over here. And we're gonna go over here. That was really close. Oh, you know what I forgot to do? Crap, I forgot to get the cutters made. I have to do that again. Can we have time? Forgot to make the cutters. Whoops. That was stupid. Should go through too. Relatively quickly. Three in the morning. Of course it is, of course it is. Okay, it just went back on. Okay, we're just gonna leave this open. We're gonna risk it. We don't make it, we don't make it. Okay, we're gonna have to be really careful with this one though. What? What? How are we supposed to get off of the prison then? There's no way? Off of the prison? We're gonna get caught here and shot in a second. All of our open fences are gonna get found. Yeah, so there's no way out? We have to go off the roof maybe? That was unfortunate. I thought that was a nice escape. Alright, well, shot in the head. Here goes. 5:56, 7, 8, 9. Pow! 7 o'clock. Alright, well, we are going to get caught. They're going to see those open things everywhere. And we used up our lightweight cutters. No bueno. We got to shut this hole. Not that anybody comes out there. Alright, so there was no way off of that part of the map. I should get caught here any second. But we'll see if I don't. I mean, it's possible that they don't see it. If there's no guards out there, right? What if there's no tower guards? So we're going to try to go into the vent system and see if we can get to a roof. Or if we can get over to that bugged out spot on the map. We're going to do that. I'm surprised they haven't caught me yet. actually. I'm waiting for that to happen to reload the day. Maybe at 8 o'clock? Usually they catch it earlier, but maybe there's no guards outside. If there's no guards walking outside and there's no guards in guard towers, maybe there's no consequences for that. Maybe I could just walk outside.